Alright, so this is the top of the ball that I just threw the handle with. Using my high-tech smoother router. And then the mold push, peel, and then I like to trim away at an angle. It just gives less for me to trim out from the back side. So clay is extremely wet. Yeah, really just a little too wet still, so let's give that just a few minutes to set up. I'll tell you how long I waited. Alright, so it's been about 25 minutes. I've been enjoying some tea. So let's cut again, shall we? Stop it. Y'all knew I forgot to cut that leg. Nobody told me. Alright, so goofy looking. Legs can be manipulated. And then because I'm never really careful, trim off the back. And really, if you're somewhat careful on your pressing, this step is not necessary. But because I'm a gorilla and I'm not careful, just kind of get rid of the excess. So there we go. Now the fuzz, and a lot of that's going to clean up. One, when you press it on. Two, the glaze is going to cover it anyway. Trying to keep the detail in the main face, muscle tone. Is what I try to do. So the cup is still, cup is still fairly wet. Alright, so we want to put that about there, I think. So then it's the same old stuff. Now because the cup is still very wet, and the horse is pretty wet. Oh! See, look. So that'll be where the handle goes. So let's put the horse right in here. Again, super wet. So should bond without too much stress. All right, now, so in no way should you be doing it with the cup this wet or the horse this wet. I'm just impatient, and you should wait and do it, you know, proper. And I take this little apparatus and kind of work around the edges. That's how I do the horses. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.